welcome to another episode of Calories Fishing. We're headed out to the Clearwater River again today. The river's flowing pretty good now, and we're having an awesome season so far. As you saw in our last video, I got my personal best bull, and as you're going to see in this video from the other day, Quade got his personal best bull. It was a really sweet looking fish. We're super excited to start fishing on the lakes. The ice is still pretty thick now, so it'll be a little bit just getting the boat ready and getting it all licensed up and everything. But until then, we're going to keep hitting this river. So just hang tight and let's check out some catches. Going with our first fish of the day. Nice brown. It's going back in the deep spots. Yeah. Second fish of the day. Really nice sized bull. We're gonna get him back in the water. Third fish of the day. Really nice size brown, really nice spots on it. We're gonna get it back in the water. First fish of the day. Just a little brown, but we'll take it. Quade got the second fish of the day. I wasn't able to film it because I was too far away. Nice looking bull. We're gonna get some pictures and then put them back in the water. We had a pretty sweet day out there for the last 2 trips at least. Today was kind of cold and crappy weather, plus all the snow melting. The river's really high, which obviously makes it super muddy. We'll have to deal with that for a little bit. Hopefully the nice warm weather that we got coming is going to fix that a bit. Thanks for watching though, guys. Make sure to subscribe and also go hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be trying to put out at least a video a week, if not at least a video every 2 weeks. Just going to do as much fishing as possible, get as much filming done as I can. We're just going to keep hitting the rivers until the lakes open and we can take the boat out. Super pumped for that. Just stay tuned for more, guys.